In this video, I will show you how to change your Google account name. First, you need to log into your Google account. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right side. Now, select your Google account. This will take you to your Google profile page. Click on the Personal Info tab on the left side. It will show your current display name and any additional information you have put in. Now select the Name tab. You will see your current display name and also the option to create a nickname. Click on your name. Now, you can change your display name here. For this example, I will change it to Agent as my first name and 619 as my last name. Click on Save. Keep in mind that this new change will display across all your Google accounts such as YouTube and Gmail. I am also going to add a nickname called Mr. Sneaky. Now, you will also have the option to display both your current name and also your nickname by clicking on the Display Name As tab. Now go back to your Google profile by clicking on the back arrow. The new name will be displayed across all your Google accounts. That's it. Thanks for watching.